In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add comments in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leave clear, trackable notes right where your team is working, so nothing gets lost in email threads. Start by opening Smartsheet in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, open the specific sheet where you want to add comments. For the most straightforward collaboration, make sure you're viewing the sheet in grid view. Grid view lays everything out in rows and columns, which makes it easier to see where your comment belongs and keeps discussions tied to the right work. Next, decide where your comment should live. If your note applies to a specific field, click directly into that cell. If it applies to the entire task or item, click the row number on the left to highlight the whole row. Linking your comment to the right place helps teammates immediately understand context and reduces follow-up questions. Now open the Comments panel. Look for the speech bubble icon in the toolbar or the row menu. Click it and you'll see the Comments panel appear on the right side of your screen. This is where you'll add new comments and review existing threads. Before we go further, if you need quick access to the site, I've placed a link to Smartsheet right at the top of the description so you can jump in easily. To post your comment, type your message in the comment box. Keep it clear and actionable. Mention what's needed, by whom, and by when if that's relevant. Use the Add Mention feature to tag teammates so they're notified immediately and don't miss important updates. When you're ready, click Post to save your comment. If you have supporting details, you can reference links or documentation to make your message even more useful. When a conversation is already underway, open the Comments panel for that cell or row and click Reply beneath the comment you're addressing. Replying in the thread keeps the discussion tidy and ensures the full history is easy to follow. Again, use Add Mention to notify the right people and keep momentum going. If you need to adjust something you wrote, click the three dots next to your comment and choose Edit to make changes. Or delete if the comment is no longer needed. Remember, Smartsheet captures all comment activity in the sheet's activity log, so you can reference what happened and when for accountability. Use comments to clarify tasks, share update dates, or attach references, so everyone has what they need. Team members can view, reply to, or resolve comments based on their permissions, which keeps collaboration focused and cuts down on back and forth emails. Adding comments in Smartsheet makes team collaboration easier and more organized. With these steps, you can communicate directly within your sheets and keep projects on track. Thanks for watching.